Hi, my name is Michele Destefano. I'm a professor of law at the University of Miami and also affiliated faculty at Harvard Law School's Executive Education Program and a visiting professor at Harvard Law School. I'm chairing a new program at Harvard Law School's Exec Ed, all about enhancing your ability to be an effective and influential leader who can drive results. The name of the program is Impactful Leadership, Enhancing Your Strategic Influence. You might be saying, I'm already a leader. I already have a lot of influence. That said, the more senior we get, the rustier we get, the less time we have to focus on our own leadership style, the way we communicate, the way we understand and actually relate to all the stakeholders in our world, including our clients. This program is time for you to take 3 days to focus on your own art of building a collaborative culture and a great teaming environment back at your firm or your department or anywhere on your team or organization. So, what will we cover? Well, first, we'll cover how to influence differently by deepening your understanding of your clients, your teams, and other stakeholders, and how you yourself relate to them. We'll also have a session on developing different types of communication strategies to engage with those different stakeholders and also to tackle difficult conversations. Additionally, part of that is really understanding where are our stakeholders' mindsets? Where's their timing? What's their sense of urgency? What's actually preventing them from saying yes? The goal, of course, is to differentiate yourself as a leader. And one of the sessions as well is all about branding. What's your personal brand? And how can you leverage that with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders? Branding's a big thing these days. Legal departments are branding themselves, law firms are focusing on branding themselves, and so are teams. We need to brand ourselves and know what our own personal brand is as well so we can be authentic in our communications. There's a session on leveraging generative AI tools to enhance the way we message and actually talk about our brand and how we email and communicate with others. And the whole goal of the program is practical. The goal is for you to leave with practical tools. Think of it as a train the trainers. It's 2.5 days at Harvard Law School on campus, April 23rd, 24th, and 25th of 2025. And you leave with a bunch of tools that can be immediately applicable when you return to work. The other great thing about the program is that not only do you learn from Harvard Exec Ed faculty, you connect with a huge group of diverse global leaders. And a big part of this program is peer learning, learning from each other's challenges and successes. So, what that means is you leave not only with tools, but also a network for the future. Hope to see you there.